जा रहे नहीं. Come on, you can do it. आजा आजा. मतलब पहाड़ है, धूप है, चाय है. It is so hard. हम निकले थे to go asleep flag point and then we were like magic view and now we are here. Triund. This is the view. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for loving all my episodes for Himachal series till now. And now we're at bunkers, all prepping to go to Magic View. We actually were planning to go to Flag Point, but that changed, and the reason why it changed because they said Magic View is like the oldest chai place in the entire Upper Dharamkot. Come on, you can do it. Aja aja. Motivation. क्या हम जा रहे? नहीं. जा रहे? नहीं. And you get like the best awesomest chai and Maggie. So obviously सुबह सुबह breakfast तो किया नहीं था, like तो they're like हाँ यही है, ऊपर ही है, दूर नहीं है ज़्यादा. So like okay यही है, let's just go and like let's just check it out what it is. This is the point where we were deciding कि Triund जाना है कि नहीं जाना है, because they were like it's already halfway, let's just go to Triund. And I'm like, no, I have a different outfit for Triund and I don't want to spoil that outfit. Typical fashion person thinking of outfit before travel. But yeah, so this is the moment we were deciding, and there's a sunrise view that you see on the way to Triund. Actually, this is not the way. This is like the shortcut. They told us, like people at Bhangat Nehal and Jai, like they told us that it's a shortcut. Jaldi pahunch jaoge. So we're like, yeah. But actually, it turns out this is like the hardest route to go to Triund. We finally reached Magic View. What felt like almost 5,000 odd years of us hiking. Finally. We reached Magic View and of course we had Maggie, because तुम इतने अच्छे जगह पे हो, Maggie ना कैसा coincidence chai, because chai is life. So we all were just chilling, and that's again everyone was convincing me, like almost like 50% there. Why? Another day, same outfit, because we were planning to go and just chill and not do much today. We were planning to go to a flag point and like take those Instagram photos that you see when you come to Himachal. We were planning for that, and then बहुत लेट हो गया because हम सब रात को 2-3 बजे तक सिर्फ बैठे थे, और obviously हिमाचल में जो होता है वो हो रहा था. But हाँ, so then we decided that we'll go in the morning. जाएंगे तो कोई उठाता नहीं, बोले कि चलो बेस्ट व्यू चले जाते हैं. It's another spot. So this is where I am right now, the midpoint of triundtrek. And as you saw, हमारी बच गई यहाँ पे आते आते, बट हम अब आ ही गए हैं, तो सोच रहे हैं कि ट्रिउंड जो वहाँ है वो कर ही लेते हैं. There's snow-clad mountains and that's the view that we are going for. So just having chai in पहाड़. मतलब पहाड़ है, धूप है, चाय है, लाइक इसी के लिए यहाँ आए थे. बस यही चाहिए लाइफ में. You have to find something, I don't know, not to realize thing. I'm not like, it's not a pressure thing कि मुझे कुछ चाहिए ही यहीं से, but कुछ मिल जाए, कुछ समझ आ जाए लाइफ का, तो काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गया. बट व्हाट डू एक्सपेक्ट, जब व्यू ऐसा हो तो इमोशनल तो होंगे ही. The next part of the journey we thought would be easier, because they're like, yeah, that was the hardest, then it's going to be easy. But trust me guys, if you're not prepared for triundtrek, it's going to be super difficult. मर गई मैं. It is so hard, and this is still 2 more hours to go, but we'll do it. We will do this thing today. करना पड़ेगा, ये तो कर ही लेंगे. क्या बोलते हो? I've also put in the description all the details that you guys need for this triundtrek, as to what to pack, how to travel, so that you are well prepared for your triundtrek. We weren't prepared, but we had people, like we had experts in this field, so that it was easier for us to go and trek. But the route to Triund was crazy. Like, it's full of just rocky roads. There's like few places where you have steps, but the entire place is of rocky roads. If you don't have the right gear, I would seriously advise you to go and get the right gear for trekking, especially for somebody who's beginner or somebody who's done like less treks like me. We ended up taking a lot of shortcuts climbing. I felt like a monkey climbing a mountain, but in the end, this is the view that we were greeted with. Was it all worth it? You can see that in my tears that it was absolutely worth it. I couldn't have asked for a better trekking experience in my life than Triund. They say the triundtrek is for beginners, but trust me guys, even for beginners it's a lot how we did. So yeah, I'm super proud of सोशल मीडिया में कुछ तो कंटेंट दो यार.
क्या कंटेंट चाहिए बता.
कुछ तो कंटेंट दो.
तो मित्रों हम ट्रेन पे आ चुके हैं. वैसे हम चले तो थे रात का क्या सोच के सुबह 7:30 बजे क्या कि हम जाएंगे फ्लैग पॉइंट. फिर बैठे बैठे डिसाइड हुआ कि हम जाएंगे मैजिक पॉइंट. फिर मैजिक पॉइंट से बैठे बैठे ये डिसाइड हुआ कि हम जाएंगे ट्रिप.
और हम पहुंच गए.
ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगा, हम पहुंच गए. आप भी आइए फिर से. मेरा तो 5वीं बार हो गया है. आइए 6ठी 7वीं बार भी कर लेंगे. अब हाइक है नहीं.
सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर प्रॉपर. Boy, what a surprise. This was like the best view I've ever seen of snow-clad mountain. I've seen like snow obviously देखी है, but वो मेहनत जो करके मुँह पर आए, that made the most difference. And that's why I got a little emotional, because I've already told you guys I would get emotional when I would go to Himachal. Finally reaching that point made it all worth it. And so we stayed at Triund for like almost 1 hour, because by the time we reached it was already 3:30 and we were like to go down before the sun goes down, otherwise there's no poles or nothing, no light, so it'll get difficult for us amateur people like me and my friends, not the people who were guiding us, but it's going to be hard for them to help us get down. So that's how we decided to go back. हम निकले थे to Ghostly Flag Point, and then we were like magic view, and now we are here Triund. This is the view. सच में रोना आ गया ये देख के. Hiking for 3.5 hours and then you see this. It's all worth it. You guys should totally come to Triund, because this is like the most worthy place. How do you feel? सर जी
बस अच्छी वॉक थी.
इसका वॉक है, हमारा हाइक हो गया. How do you feel?
Dehydrated.
This is the most perfect golden hour I could have ever captured on my camera. And let's look how beautiful the sun is setting over the mountains. And even though we ended our night trekking down back to our hotel, you don't have to. You can easily go ahead. You can hike further and go to Kareri Lake, or you can also go to Snowline. And the mornings are better, but I would really suggest you guys to do camping at Triund, because that's like another experience. Definitely stay there and camp there for 1 night. And yeah, that's all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Here's a little bit of sneak peek of what's gonna come next.